If you're experiencing an unpleasant smell, often described as a cheese smell behind your ears, it's typically due to inadequate cleaning, but it could also indicate an infection or skin condition. To address this, start by thoroughly washing the area with soap and water and consider using a damp washcloth to exfoliate. After washing, disinfect with hydrogen peroxide or rubbing alcohol, and if your ears are pierced, ensure to clean your earrings regularly. Keeping the area dry, avoiding covered ears, and minimizing hair and skin product use can help prevent odors. If you suspect earwax buildup, use baby oil or mineral oil to soften it before gently rinsing. For persistent issues, consult a doctor, especially if there's accompanying acne or flaky skin, and they may recommend medicated creams or shampoos. Lastly, if you're looking to mask the smell temporarily, diluted essential oils can be a pleasant option.